Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on sequences and ordinals. Sequence. A sequence is a list of numbers that follow a special pattern. When we know the pattern, we are able to calculate any term in the sequence. Example 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The above example is one of the simplest of all the sequences. It is simply the set of counting numbers starting at 1. Example 2, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. The sequence in example 2 is just the 3 times tables starting at 3. Example 3, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. The above sequence starts at 15 and keeps adding 5 to the previous number. It is actually the 5 times tables beginning at 5 times 3. Now here are some simple exercises, and we'll write the answers in the spaces. For each of the following sequences, write the 2 missing numbers in the spaces. So we have 3, 7, 11, 15, 19. Now what do you notice is happening when we go from one number to the other? It won't take you long to realise that we are going up by 4. So that one there is 23, and this one is 27. So we just keep adding 4. Let's see if we can find the next two here. We've got 23, 33, 43, 53. Very easy to see here that we're going up by 10. Which makes the next number 63 and the next one 73. 50, 48, 46, 44, 42. You can easily see we're going down, and the difference between each of the numbers is 2. So if we keep going down by 2, that must be 40 and that must be 38. There we go. What do we have here? 10, 12, 14, 16. So they're going up by 2. So if we go from here to here and we go up by 2, that definitely has to be 8. And that has to be 6. So you go up by 2, by 2, by 2. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. You can see you're going up by 5. So that's 5. If you go up by 5, excuse me, from here, if you go up by 5 from here, that gives you 35. 1, 2, 4, 7, 11, 16. From there to there you go up by 1. From there to there you go up by 2. From there to there you go up by 3. From there to there you go up by 4. From there to there you go up by 5, so from there to there you go up by 6. So add 6 to that, and it gives you 22. And from there to there you go up by 7, so 22 plus 7 is 29. So it's just a matter of recognising the pattern and just following it. Finally, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. That's very straightforward, isn't it? You will know that the next two are 5, 5. Ordinals. Ordinals are numbers which give the position of something. They actually give the order of something. For example, if Tim won a race, he would finish first. If Bill was next to finish, he would finish second. If Ted was next to finish, he would finish third, and so on. So we have first, second, third, fourth. That's how you write them using the numbers, and here you write them using the words, and so on. You can keep going, 5th, 6th, etc., etc. Ordinals can be used in many other situations. For example, if Monday is the first day of the school week, then Tuesday is the second day. Wednesday is the third day, and so on. Let's look at this little picture here where we have 3 people, Sue, Bev and Mary. So consider the above picture of 3 girls. They are asked to stand in line from tallest to shortest, with the tallest standing first in line, followed by the next tallest, followed by the shortest. So who would be first? Well, the person who's the tallest, because she has to stand first, you can see straight away that that's got to be Bev, because she's the tallest. Who would be second? You can see that Sue is next in line. And who would be third? Very easy to see that it will be Mary, because she's the shortest. Okay, so we have first, second and third, Bev, Sue and Mary. Consider the first 8 letters of the alphabet. Here they are, I'm sure you know those. What is the fourth letter? First, second, third, fourth. That must be the letter D. What is the 7th letter? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that must be the letter G. Perfect. So this video has given you a very good introduction to numbers. You can have numbers that are in a special order, and if you can pick what the pattern is, then you know exactly what's going on and you can add other numbers to the pattern. And we've also seen some examples of ordinals, and all they are, they just talk about position. Okay, the position of something, like finishing in a race, and it's similar to order.